English-Tagalog Translation, Lesson Number 10. What brings you here? What brings you here? Meaning, bakit nandito ka? I finally paid off my debt. I finally paid off my debt. Sa wakas, nabayaran ko na ang utang ko. Have you found your lost ring yet? Have you found your lost ring yet? Nakita mo na ba yung nawawala mong singsing? Should I turn left or right? Should I turn left or right? Kakaliwa ba ako o kakanan? I couldn't care less. Or, I don't care. Wala akong pakialam. I was just about to call you. I was just about to call you. Tatawagan pa lang sana kita. They deliver pizza around the clock. They deliver pizza around the clock. Nagde-deliver sila ng pizza 24 oras. I read it on the internet. I read it on the internet. Nabasa ko yon sa internet. Don't hit me in the head. Don't hit me in the head. Wag mo nga akong batukan. What do you call this? What do you call this? Anong tawag mo rito? We're just about to leave. We're just about to leave. Paalis pa lang kami. They are just about to arrive. They are just about to arrive. Parating pa lang sila. Her story doesn't add up. Her story doesn't add up. Hindi nagtutugma ang kwento niya. Let's grab a cup of coffee. Let's grab a cup of coffee. Kape tayo. Where's the remote? Where's the remote? Nasaan ang remote? Is there anything good on? Is there anything good on? May maganda bang palabas? Can I change the channel? Can I change the channel? Pwede ko bang ilipat sa ibang channel? I've already seen that. I've already seen that. Napanood ko na yan. That's a rerun. That's a rerun. Replay yan. I don't feel so good. I don't feel so good. Masama ang pakiramdam ko. My back hurts. My back hurts. Ang sakit ng likod ko. I brought some snacks. I brought some snacks. May dala akong merienda. I'm still full. I'm still full. Busog pa ako. Why are you still here? Why are you still here? Oh, bakit nandito ka pa? My office is on the 40th floor. My office is on the 40th floor. Nasa 40th floor ang opisina ko. The results are out. The results are out. Lumabas na ang resulta. They really look alike. They really look alike. Magkamukha talaga sila. Put on a jacket, it's cold. Put on a jacket, it's cold. Mag-jacket ka, malamig. Everything can change in the blink of an eye. Everything can change in the blink of an eye. Pwedeng magbago ang lahat sa isang kisap mata. Am I right or wrong? Am I right or wrong? Tama ba ako o mali? Oh no, you hurt yourself. Oh no, you hurt yourself. Ay, nasugatan ka. When are we leaving? When are we leaving? Kailan tayo aalis? Where do you work? Where do you work? Saan ka nagtatrabaho? I run my own business. I run my own business. May sarili akong negosyo. I'm a freelancer. I'm a freelancer. Freelancer ako. I'm retired. I'm retired. Retirado na ako. Is this on sale? Is this on sale? Naka-sale ba to? How much is this? How much is this? Magkano to? Can I try it on? Can I try it on? Pwede ko bang isukat? Do you take credit cards? Do you take credit cards? Tumatanggap ba kayo ng credit card? We only accept cash. We only accept cash. Cash lang po.